Day 2 of jury selection in the trial of Christopher Schurr continues. It starts at 8:30 this morning. The former officer is charged with second-degree murder in the death of Patrick Lyoya.
So we were inside the courtroom as both the prosecution and defense questioned the people that could decide Christopher Schurr's fate here. 13 on your side's Deja Barrett joining us live from outside the courthouse this morning. Deja, good morning to you. What do we know about how day 1 of jury selection went?
Tanner, Emily, good morning. Well, one thing that we do know is that alongside his defense team, Christopher Schurr was also in attendance in day 1, where more than 12 members were dismissed in that interviewing process, where almost all of them had heard of the case in some capacity. Of course, in this process, a total of 12 people will be seated, with 2 standing by as alternates for the murder trial of former GRPD officer Christopher Schurr and the 2022 killing of Patrick Lyoya. Now, the 17th Circuit Court judge, the Kent County Prosecutor, and attorneys representing Schurr are selecting from a pool of 200 people, which is a larger than normal pool for a homicide case. And on Tuesday, more than 30 people were questioned.
The jurors are the finders of fact. The court doesn't determine any fact to be true. It's only the jury that determines which facts are true and which facts they want to use to apply to the law as given by the judge.
While Rodenhouse is not involved in this case, he does believe jury selection will wrap up by Thursday or Friday to have the jury seated to be on schedule for Schurr's trial to start Monday. Now, no cameras, cell phones, or laptops are allowed while jury selection takes place, and that's to protect the identities of the prospective jury members. Now, jury selection will resume this morning, 8:30. Of course, we'll keep you updated on air and online as the process continues for the selection of 12 jury members and 2 alternates is chosen. Reporting live this morning in downtown Grand Rapids, Deja Barrett, 13 on your side.